YouTube, it's your boy Farm Flex again with the 2011 RZR 800. This was the engine that had the rod bearing failure. I had a lifter failure. First off, Happy New Year's to everybody. Hit that subscribe button if you hadn't. So back to the cut. I had a rod bearing failure and a lifter failure. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna go with the first steps of breaking this engine down. So first thing first would be spinning it around to the stator side right there. All right, so got it on the stator side. We got a couple 8mm bolts going around water pump housing. So I'm gonna get 8 and we're gonna go ahead and get that loose. Let's see. Have to get my tools together, guys. Okay. Let's see. I got tools scattered all over the place right now. So bear with me, but we will get it done. Alright, you guys, I have to go run and get a ratchet. YouTube, it's your boy Farm Flex again. We back with the Razor 800 Polaris 2011. Okay, what we had is well, first off, Happy New Year's to everybody. I hope y'all had a safe New Year, safe Christmas, and mine went well. But as you can see, we're dealing with a couple problems here. Well, first off was we had a rod bearing failure, and the second thing was a stuck lifter. If you check the other video before I pulled the engine, sorry guys, I didn't get to get that video. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button and let's go ahead and tear into this thing. So first thing first is we got the stator side, and we got 8mm and the water pump housing 8mm, all of them 8mm. So we're gonna go ahead and get those took out. Let me get a ratchet and extension and socket, and let's get something going. So first thing first would be getting this, I guess let's get the water pump off. Hey boy. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those loose. And then I like to kind of half organize it. So I'm gonna leave those bolts in until we get that housing cover all the way off, and then I'm gonna take the whole deal off, because as you can see guys, two different lengths of bolts. So we're gonna leave all those in just in case you're trying to figure what bolt go where. Hopefully this video can help you out a little bit. So we'll go ahead and get all of those off, and then we can check inside this water pump housing and see how the impeller looking and stuff like that, which the bike didn't run hot or nothing like that. It was knocking. So before I blew the cylinder and all that other good stuff, I just took it off.
The roof is starting to tip up.
The horse roof?
Yeah, it's starting to tip up.
Alright, we'll
It almost fell.
we'll go back, we'll put some screws or some nails in it, something like that.
No. You know, don't know, jump on.
No, boy, he's not gonna jump on it. Alright, so
That's just coming.
I got that off. Uh-oh.
Coming.
She's coming.
Look who's here.
Hey, mama.
She's bad.
Hey, mama.
She's bad.
Okay, so that's your water pump housing. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. So I'm gonna put that inside my fanny pack there. Hey, mama. Hey, what are you talking about?
She's talking about you. She said, what are you picking?
Okay, next thing next will be my stator cover.
I'm gonna look for some nice guns. I'm gonna look for some guns over here.
And those again are 8mm bolts as well. So I'm gonna get all of those out.
Get over here, you hairy girl.
I hadn't decided yet how I'm gonna build this thing. But I plan on making it a little hot. Nothing too, major. Honestly, I might go back to stock. I'm not sure yet, but I was thinking about going back to stock. So, only time would tell.
Dad, what is this?
That's a dry rack.
Huh?
That's a drying rack for the, like, when I clean the parts and stuff, I can sit them there and let them dry.
It is stupid.
Yeah, you want to help me?
Maybe you can put that part on there and let it dry.
Yeah, we're gonna clean it up. We're gonna get it all cleaned up
And put it on here and let it dry.
and let it dry. Yeah, we're gonna paint it. We're gonna paint the engine. We're gonna go ahead and paint the engine and stuff.
What color can we paint it?
You wanna paint it black?
I want it to be gold.
Gold?
Yep.
Uh-oh, I think we got a gold engine coming.
It's because we have a lot. That's because we have a lot of money.
No, boy. I don't know about that, but
The process, we have gold.
yeah, we're gonna try and get it gold. I think we can fit that in the budget.
I think we should put the whole stuff aside gold. And when you tell me to go get that gold thing, I'll go get it. I'll go fast. When the kids are over here, you can just tell me to go get that gold thing.
We'll work on it.
We're gonna have a gold engine.
Gold engine. All right, you guys. So I got that cover off.
Uh-oh.
Whoosh. Okay, so I got that off.
I'm going inside the room.
All right, be careful. We're gonna put that cover in there. Be careful.
I thought we were gonna put on that hanging thing.
No, I said be careful in that room. No, we gotta clean it first. Okay, this is your starter deal here. I think, I'm not sure. That comes out after the flywheel. Okay, so let's see what size is this flywheel, right?
That one's just 48.
That's a little too small. It's a 21. Oh, it's gonna be a 22. Let's reach back over here. Alright, you guys, I have to go and get the right side. Wait, we're gonna go feed the hogs and stuff in a minute.
That looks like we got a golden engine coming.
You got a golden engine.
Are you gonna order it?
No, we're gonna paint it.
We're gonna paint it gold.
Alright, you guys, I have to go and get some sockets. I'll be
Tell them we're gonna get it gold.
right back.
Turn it down, bro. Leave it alone. Go get her into the box. No.
All right, so we got that nut off now. We're gonna pull out the famous steering wheel puller. Let's pull that off. Get it in a little closer. One, two, and three. And those might be, let's see. Half inch. Okay. Shit, up to the corner. Fits better. Did they get the air one time?
Huh?
That's it. Right off like that, guys. Just like that. Put that down inside there. Leave it open. Leave it open. All right. Alright. Now let's see. Let's see. Okay. Excellent.
Somebody's hitting me. Whoa, I didn't give you the only thing.
Okay, this was the starter gear I was talking about right here. You got a washer. One washer there. And that's it. So just make sure you got that one washer. Everything looks pretty good on here. Sit that to the side and go ahead and finish getting our stator out of here. I got a socket for that. How about this? How about this? How about this? That's a number 5. Perfect. Perfecte. And I just like to leave those bolts inside of there. That way you don't get anything confused or mixed up. And let's get those two off. Okay. Let's put those back inside of there. Uh-oh. Be careful, guys. Let's take that out of there. 2 and 3. Stator looks pretty good. Alright, you guys. Next would be water pump. And there's a washer behind it. And impeller. Yep, looks pretty good. Okay, let's put that down in the corner. Alright, next would be, you guys, you got 2 8mm again. No, those are 10, you guys. 10. Hmm?
The joke.
Alright, so we got 2 10s, stay the same size. One go above the water pump housing, the other one go below the water pump housing. Okay. Next would be, I just take, there's a lip on the end of it. Let's take that bolt out of there too. Wait, what did I do with the other bolt, you guys? Okay, I got both of them in there.
It's not here.
No, I got it in the drawer. And then just tap. Okay.
Got your tools.
Wait, I'm gonna get a flat head. Stop, boy. Stop. Leave that there. Leave it right there. Leave it right there. Stop.
I'm closing the door a lot.
Alright. Y'all wanna go back out? Go outside and play.
I'm gonna lock the door. Hang on.
Okay. Let's get some of that gasket maker back. See if I can kind of get it between somewhere. There she is. There she go. Just like that. There's a seal that goes behind that water pump, you guys. A seal right here. And it's like a little beveled end that goes into the inside of it. I believe so. Yeah. Which I pulled the book on it and we will get it checked. You guys don't lose your half a moon. So we are going to move this back out of the way and keep that over there. And we're gonna put this inside here. Faceplate cover, you got 2 seals in it, one for the water pump, one for the crank. Alright, now what we're going to do next, you guys, is we are going to time this thing out.
And put a new one in.
Let's get it timed out, you guys.
I'm going to put a gold one in there.
Top dead center, we'll see. Top dead center. It's right there. That's it. That's top dead center, you guys. So I'll let you get a look at that. Guys. Let me get my light going. Alright, so as you can see, there's 2 dots right there. That dot and that dot. And then there's another dot at the top. Let's get straight forward with it. Okay, so you got your 2 dots. Then you got your other dot going straight up. And then this is the water pump side, so that don't have to be timed. This is the crank. This is the cam, and then this is the counterbalance shaft. So all three of those have to be timed. All three have to be timed. So that's your timing right there, guys. If you need to see how that timing goes, that's the crank and the counter shaft lining up, and then your cam should be straight up. 12 o'clock. So that's that, you guys. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and pull the gears off.